In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Smoothed Heiken Ashi Candles in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to get your chart set up with this powerful type of candle, so you can analyze price action a bit more cleanly and confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this. The process is exactly the same whether you're looking at Forex, stocks, crypto, or indices. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly on that search box so you can start typing. This is where you're going to look up the Smoothed Heiken Ashi Candles. Slowly type in Smoothed Heiken Ashi Candles. As you type, TradingView will start showing you a list of matching indicators. Take a moment to look through the results and find the version of Smoothed Heiken Ashi Candles you want to use. Different creators may have slightly different settings or visual styles, but the core idea is the same. These candles help smooth out market noise while still showing you the overall trend. When you found the one you want, simply click on it. As soon as you do, it will be applied directly to your chart. You should now see your regular candlesticks replaced or overlaid with the Smoothed Heiken Ashi version. Zoom in and out a little to get a feel for how the candles respond to price movement. Many traders like these because they filter out a lot of choppiness and make trends easier to spot at a glance. If you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description. It's there to help you get set up with the Pro version, which unlocks more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and other tools that make working with setups like Smoothed Heiken Ashi much smoother and more efficient. That's all you need to do. Open indicators, use the search box, look up Smoothed Heiken Ashi Candles, and apply them to your chart.